Welcome back to the channel, guys. dicefx Academy. We are back again with another update on chart analysis. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. Today we are back again with another update on pair analysis on these four pairs you are seeing here: USDCHF, GBPAUD, GBPUSD, and EURUSD. So starting off with USDCHF. On USDCHF, identifying the trend, we can see this as an higher high, higher low, higher high, of which this higher high wasn't as strong as it needs to be, because this was a break of structure, because right here it was meant to break above this and continue to form a higher low on this very level, but rather it came back here giving us a double top, which is a reversal point, a reversal pattern of the market. Then it dropped down to this very point. Now, since it gave us this point of reversal, the only thing we'll wait for here is to see price, if price can come up again to this point to continue the right move. But if not that, we can only consider going looking for buying opportunity at the break of this zone. If not that, we are seeing this as a push to the downside. We are seeing this as a push to the downside. Sorry, as a push to the upside. This is a push to the upside. We are seeing this as a push to the upside. And again, this is another important level I'm seeing here, of which price might decide to come down here to give us something of double bottom to go back up, for USDCHF to go back up, or we can see a break below this, then a retest, probably a patternic retest with a pattern, or with candlestick formation to go to the downside. If not that, we'll only see USDCHF breaking above this high to continue to the upside. If any of this scenario did not happen, then we are sitting our hands off this USDCHF. So for GBPAUD on 4 hours time frame, same scenario here. We are seeing what? A push to the upside, which is giving us this impulse correction, impulse, correct itself again, impulse, now in a corrective phase, in a corrective phase. Now it's in a corrective phase towards this level of which it broke out from. So you can either take your trade from here with a very small stop loss below to take it up, or if not that, let's jump into the 1 hour time frame. Let's see what's going on the 1 hour time frame. So right in this 1 hour time frame, what am I seeing here? Now take a look at this that I'm going to mark out now. What is this? What are you seeing here? This is a range, of which for you to enter, since you miss an opportunity here to enter, then your next entering opportunity should be at the break of this level to continue what? To the upside. If this does not happen, then the only opportunity we are looking for now will be a selling opportunity after the break of this structure here to the downside. This is the only time we only consider going for a sell on this very pair GBPAUD. Then for GBPUSD, GBPUSD on 4 hours time frame, same case with this. We are having this as a what? A push to the upside, of which it gave us what? This high. Now with this pair we have different scenario here. Our number one scenario would be price coming here to give us what? A double top formation to drop to the downside, or for price to go right down here to break this structure here, retest on it, and continue going to the downside. This is the second scenario. We have First scenario, second scenario, and the third scenario will be a break above this high and a continuation to the upside. So it's very good as a trader to cater for more than one opportunity, so that each one you are able to see, each one the market present to you, you can be able to take opportunities. But that does not mean you should analyze and enter anywhere you want to enter. Be careful with this on how you enter to avoid being taken out before going to your direction. So for the last pair, Euro USD on 4 hours time frame, what am I seeing? Lower low, lower high, lower low. What am I seeing again? A break of this previous low. This is a low of which it broke out of this low. This is a breakout of the low, making it. Now listen carefully here. What happened here? This is a low. It broke out of this low, forming what? A break of structure to continue another new trend. Higher high, higher low, higher high. Of which, what again am I seeing as a confirmation to this that I explained? The next thing I'm seeing here as a confirmation to this. Now take a good look at this. We have this beautiful head and shoulder, and the head and shoulder is a reversal pattern of which you could have taken your trade right here, because this was a first shoulder, the break of it, a retest on that same level. You could have taken your trade right here with your stop loss somewhere around here, then your TP to the upside with a very good risk to reward of 1:3. You are risking 16 pips stop to make a potential of 50 pips stop loss. So for now, what am I expecting on this Euro USD? What are we seeing Euro USD to do? What are we expecting from Euro USD? Since this is a new trend of which is forming impulse, correction for another impulse. Now this is what you're expecting. It's either one, we wait for some nature here to take it down as a double top, as a mini double top. Remember, this is a short time double top to take it to the downside or upside. Then if not that, then the only thing we should wait for is to see price breaking that same trend of which is starting now. Now listen very carefully at this point. The price have been doing impulsive move and corrective move. This is what I mean by that. It's giving us impulse, correction, impulse, probably to form a double top with this. If we see a double top with this, then we might expect a push to the downside, a retest, and a continuation, giving us what? Lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, in order to come back to this trend of which it broke out of to the downside. So this is our view on these four pairs. As a recap, USDCHF, we're in a bullish move, break of structure. Remember what you are looking for here. GBPAUD, on GBPAUD, same scenario. We have a push to the upside. You could have entered here with then still holding your trade, or you wait for a breakout of this small consolidation here. Then for GBPUSD, same scenario. You know the opportunities we are looking for on this as explained. So with that being said, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please hit the like button and subscribe. Then don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and also for free signals, because I'll be sending out free signals and other free Forex content on my free Telegram channel. So if you're interested in our free signal, please click on the link in the description to join the Telegram group.